Big Willie of the kickoff and the score, and it's quarterfinal number 3 tonight and quarterfinal number 4 also, all coming in a span of, let's say, 4 to 5 hours. It's England taking on Norway at midnight East African time, and then we've got Switzerland taking on Argentina at 4 a.m. East African time as we wrap up the quarterfinals of the FIFA World Cup 2026 happening in the USA, Mexico, and Canada. Now, let's start with England against Norway, because this is a match being built between Erling Haaland and Harry Kane, two phenomenal goal scorers who look like likely they can take their team very far in this World Cup. England, for me, are the better team on paper. 1 to 11, they've got the star power, the experienced names. Apart from Harry Kane, you've got Bukayo Saka, you've got Anthony Gordon, you've got Declan Rice, you've got Elliot Anderson, you've got Jordan Pickford, Mark Gahey, and etc. Then on the Norway side, Erling Haaland is there. He's going to be a danger. He's going to be a thorn on the English defense. And then, of course, we've got the silky skills, the playmaking of Martin Odegaard and the likes of Soloth and Sanderberg in midfield. Of course, their keeper also, Nyland, cannot be ruled out. He saved a penalty against Brazil last week when they knocked out the 5-time champions. So this should be a cracker of a game. Hopefully, it lives up to its star billing. My head tells me England will win this game, but my heart really wants the Norwegians to send the 3 Lions packing home away from this World Cup. So England to win, probably in a high-scoring game by 3-2. Then, of course, we've got Switzerland taking on the world champions Argentina at 4 a.m. Now, Lionel Messi has carried Argentina this far. They knocked out Egypt in a game they were losing in the round of 16 by 3-2, and in the previous round they knocked out Cape Verde. So it's not been plain sailing for the defending champions. They're called what? The Albiceleste. That's their name for the Argentina, and they face a very tricky Swiss team which has the likes of Akanji and the likes of Granit Xhaka. But I just think Argentina, with the experience and the Swiss playing a very slow style of football, could favor the day for Argentina. So Argentina to win this game, not by a long shot, maybe by 2-1, and move to the semi-finals of the FIFA World Cup.